Are you an aspiring artist dreaming of taking your skills to the next level? If so, you may be considering an MFA or MA program in fine arts. But which one is the right for you? In this video, I'll break down the key differences between an MFA and MA programs in fine arts so you can make the best decision for your future.
What is an MFA? An MFA or a Master of Fine Arts is a terminal degree in fine arts. This means that it's the highest degree you can earn in your field. MFA programs are typically 2 years long and they focus on developing your creative practice and skills. What is an MA? An MA or Master of Arts is a graduate degree that can be earned in a variety of fields, including fine arts. MA programs in fine arts are typically 1 or 2 years long and they focus on both creative practice and theatrical exploration. MFA programs emphasize studio time, giving you plenty of time to practice your art and experiment with new techniques. This is typically achieved through a combination of dedicated studio space and scheduled studio classes. MA programs balance studio time with theatrical elements such as art history, art theory, and criticism. This is typically achieved through a combination of studio classes, lectures, and seminars.
Choosing between an MFA and MA in fine arts can be tough. Here are some key considerations to help you decide. Studio time. MFA programs emphasize studio time while MA programs balance studio time with theoretical elements. Faculty. MFA programs often have faculty who are established artists and professionals, while MA programs typically have a more diverse faculty with a mix of academic and industry backgrounds. Exhibition opportunities. MFA programs often provide robust exhibition opportunities, while MA programs may prioritize theoretical explorations. Well, the trick is to figure out what you really want from your studies. If you're all about getting super skilled in your craft, go for MFA. But if you're digging into art history and theory as well, then MA might be more your style. Remember, there are other options out there too, like short-term programs, artist residencies, and doing your own thing. Just find what works best for your goals. Do some digging, visit some schools, and chat with your students and teachers for more info. Let us know in the comment section below what are your artistic goals. Are you considering an MFA or MA program? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to never miss an update.